Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday we're on Mactan Island again. Not looking for a turkey. This time we were invited to go to a water resort called Blue Water. I don't know the prices yet. I will get those for you, but we got all over to Venue Beach and they were closed. So that was a long hour drive over here. And so Wally, my neighbor, said, hey, let's just go to Blue Water. It's open. We go over there. So this is where we're at. And we're going to do some video here and see if you like the place. So let's go check it out. Now, this is where we come to check in. And if you're not a member here, it costs 2,000 pesos per person to get in. But because Wally is a member here, he's allowed 4 people to get in, so that took care of me and Ann and Liam and our sister-in-law. So all we had to pay for is Kaka and Ding Ding, the little ones. So that's what we did. It looks like they got some cottages here you can rent. So you got a waterfall right here, and they got, if you can see through the woods there, they got cottages. There's a beautiful little walkway here, bamboo. That's pretty. So they got a little changing room here, a karaoke or something over here, and then they have a restaurant and dining area. It's kind of nice. And they got some more like cottages you can rent right here, up and down. Now some of these prices I'll get for you at the end of the video because I'm not sure how much they cost yet. They do have a small place over here for the kids to play on. They have a little slide, and I don't know what those are called right there, you spin around on. And they got some swings over there, right there. Here during the weekend, these are closed during the week, but you got each little, you got one for ensaladas, some lechon, some just different ones here, all the way across. Little places to get food and drink. And here's the beach, coming up on the beach. Look at this, you want to hold it? You can hold it, it don't hurt you. See?
It's sharp.
Huh?
It's sharp.
Well, it's got a little sharp edges, but you gotta be careful. You want to show Mama? Okay.
Mama!
Hold on, let's go. Okay, so now we decide we're going to go on a little boat ride. They just did this last week. Ah.
Yeah, but it was actually smaller than this one. This one's quite big.
There's our captain. Yeah, how about you? You having fun out here? Liam, you having fun? Yeah, this is cool, huh? Woo. Hi, Kaka. back at you, sis. Wow, that's a pretty island, little rocky outlet there. What's it called again?
Mondo.
Mundo?
Yeah.
This is Mundo Island. Mundo Island. A lot of swimming in there.
They were waving and y'all weren't friendly to wave back.
Oh. You know what the worst part of this whole thing is, coming out here and renting this boat? I forgot my underwater camera, and there's some beautiful fish here and everything. So we're gonna have to put off underwater camera until next time, at least out here on the boat. Here we are at the rock formation overhangs. That's about 10 feet above the water line there. A couple over here, and this is about waist deep water. It's not bad at all. Yeah, I got my shoes on, so it's not so bad. Whew. You had fun today, Liam? How about you, Mom?
Of course.
Oh, I know. Rocks.
Here we go. You're okay.
I made it out here. I'll make it back.
So,
Let's get out.
you want to get out?
Yeah.
You get a picture with Daddy first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here, Liam, B.
Hold on.
Daddy will hold.
Gotcha.
2 weeks ago, but they weren't with us.
Atong ko nito na ti atong ko anan butang suka.
Okay. So look at the size of this burger. Holy mackerel. I mean, look at my hand. That's a big, big burger. French fries, home fries. They're purple. We got some pizza and my neighbor Wally over there. Thank you for inviting us over here. We really had a great time. Got a big cup sandwich. We got more pizza. And, oh my goodness, there's a lot of food here.
Liam.
So here we are in the swimming pool. It's much, much cooler.
No, swim.
Maybe you should get inside with him, maybe, or can you do that, or no?
We need to buy him a new.
One with a seat.
That one of his short leggings. Because when he walked there,
Yeah.
it's already under his butt is under.
Oh, okay.
I said you need to use the other one, the pink one.
You need your boat right over there. Where's your boat? You want your boat? Yeah.
What?
Look at the sun through the water. Look at the sun.
Waterfall.
Yeah, waterfall. Cheers, Mama. Okay. Come on. You want to go under? Wait. Huh? Ready? Whoa! How was that? Huh? You want to go by Monday? Okay. There's Monday. We got a speedboat. Ready? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Ow.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Where you want to go? Don't hold me? Okay. Where you going? You're leaving.
Bye.
Where you going?
Tell Liam bye.
Bye, Liam.
Bye, Liam.
Have a nice trip. Where you going, Boog? Whoop, 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 whoop. Uh-oh, you're on your own. Oh, no, 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 no. Ow! Woohoo! Into the fall? Oh! Yeah. Look at the water in your boat. Oh my gosh. You better get the water out of your boat. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of rocks. There's rocks. Go faster? Yeah. Why go how fast you want to go? Yeah. Ready? How's that? That's fast, huh? Oh, no. You're sick. Yeah. You got a lot of water. Get out of there. Get out. Get out. Okay, ready? Okay. Ooh. Ready? Hold on.